If you're anything like me, you've been struggling to figure out what to do with your extra time at home. When everything first started, all of my days ran together. I had no routine and no clue what to do. One thing that has always brought me joy is organizing and decluttering, so today I decided to do just that, starting with my closet. I'm going to show you the 3 steps I take when assessing my clothing and how decluttering can help you save space, define your style, and know that what you are wearing will always look good on you. Grab a snack, get ready to take notes, and let's get started. The first step is to think about what style that you want to emulate. This will help you later on, as once you have gotten rid of everything you no longer want, you can make a list of items you will need to achieve the style you're looking for. You can find inspiration through Pinterest, Instagram, and of course, YouTube. 2 of my favorites right now are Ashley and Jess. I love Ashley's tips on how to thrift and style clothes, and her looks are always trendy without looking too young for me. Not to mention her personality, she always makes me laugh. Jess has a very minimal tailored style. She tends to choose more high-end brands, resulting in a style that never looks cheap and is timeless. I'll have their channels linked down below. Pinterest has also been a huge source of inspiration for me, as I've been able to narrow down the kind of outfit I can see on myself and the pieces I may need to achieve the look I'm going for. Right now, I'm really digging this menswear-inspired look. When you start looking through the pieces in your wardrobe, I want you to keep this ideal style you're going for in the back of your mind. This will help you decide what to keep and what to donate or sell. Now, we are going to dive a little deeper and apply theory, specifically color theory and some basic fashion guidelines for your clothing. I want you to take this information for what it is. Don't worry if you find items in your closet that don't line up with what I'm about to say. You know what looks good on you. When you're looking through your clothes, I want you to pay attention to the patterns in your wardrobe. Horizontal stripes tend to make you look wider as they draw your eye across the body, whereas vertical lines are more slimming. Look at the difference between these 2 pairs of leggings. This pair has an intense pattern, which makes my legs look bigger. These leggings have a less intense pattern, mixing different shades of the same color, making my legs look smaller than the previous pair. As always, you can never go wrong with a black pair, as darker colors will have a more slimming effect if that's what you're going for. This will really help you decide what to keep depending on the look you want to achieve. Now, let's talk about complexion and color. You either have a soft complexion or a clear one. A soft complexion means that your hair and your skin color are in the same general range, whereas a clear complexion shows a clear difference between the hair and skin. Knowing whether you are soft or clear can help you determine what colors look best on you. In general, softer complexions look better in more muted colors, while clear complexions shine in bright colors. Pay attention to your own undertone. If you tend to lean more cool or warm, this can also help you look at what colors make you look amazing. The goal is not to contrast your clothing with your undertone. Warmer colors are going to look great on a warm skin tone, and the same principle goes for cooler colors. Remember that this is not your skin color, this is your undertone. You can have any of these undertones, no matter your skin color. It may seem like a pain, but I promise you, knowing where you fall on your complexion and undertone can really be a game changer when it comes to making sure you are keeping items that flatter you, and while you are shopping in the future for new clothing. If you are interested to learn more, I highly recommend watching Alexandra's video on the art of color and how to dress better, linked below. They are truly life-changing. Okay, now that you have taken notes and you know what looks good on you and what style you want to achieve, it's time to do this. I've been reading Mari Kondos' book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, and I'm here to share some notes on what I've learned and how you can apply this to your closet clean-out. Her first tip is to start your declutter in the morning, and from my experience, this is truly the best time because your mind will be fresh. Waiting later in the day will make you dread cleaning out your closet more, and you will face decision fatigue much earlier in the process. Now, here is the order that she recommends getting rid of: tops, bottoms, jackets, socks, underwear, bags, accessories, items for specific events, and lastly, shoes. So let's start with tops. Mari recommends putting everything from your closet onto the floor or the bed. I'm starting here with my summer and spring tops. Instead of just sorting through and picking up each item and deciding, I want you to try everything on. Yes, everything. This is crucial to the process because when you see the clothing on your body, you can assess not only how it looks on you, but how it feels. I want you to ask yourself these questions. Is the fabric comfortable? Does the color suit my undertone? Is it something that fits in with the style I want to have? Does it fit me well? If it checks all the boxes, keep it. This is going to be really time-consuming, but trust me, it's going to be worth it. During this process, you're going to have items that you're not sure if you want to get rid of. I made a separate pile for these items so that I can come back to them and decide when I am mentally clear. Trying to decide on too much in one day will only cloud your judgment of what to keep and what to toss. When you start feeling more and more unsure of every piece you put on, it's probably time to stop for the day. This is a journey. It's not meant to be done all in one day. It took me several days just to go through my tops, but I feel like everything I kept is something that I truly love. Your clothing affects how you feel about yourself, and I want to feel confident in the way my clothes look and fit. For items that you are really having trouble getting rid of, think about why you have it in the first place. Think about the role it plays in your life. Also, quick tip, if you don't know how to organize your pants, I found these great hangers. They save so much space in my closet and I love them. Okay, we are almost at the end now. The last thing that I'm going to show you is how to use Mari Kondos' folding method. I started folding my clothes this way several months ago, and I haven't looked back. This method not only saves space, but it organizes your items in a way that you can see everything you have, which is great if you sometimes forget about the clothes you have tucked away. Here we go. Alright, that's the end of the video. I hope this helped you to clean out your closet and figure out what you need and don't need to complete your new wardrobe. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment, give this video a like, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.